Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Lotus fertilizer is probably one of the most crucial elements to successfully cultivate these beautiful aquatic plants, ensuring vibrant blooms and healthy growth. Choosing the right fertilizer can be tricky, as lotus plants have specific nutrient requirements that differ from other plants. An improper balance can lead to stunted growth or even plant death. Today, we will delve into the world of lotus plant fertilization, exploring various options and helping you select the perfect fertilizer to nurture your lotus plants to their full potential, resulting in a breathtaking display of aquatic beauty. Number 5. Lotus Nutrients Pro Series. This comprehensive nutrient pack provides everything your plants need to thrive. It's perfect for hydroponics, coco coir, and soil, whether you're growing indoors or outdoors. It's made from all natural ingredients, ensuring your plants receive the best nutrition possible without any harmful byproducts. This means optimal growth and health for your plants. This carefully formulated fertilizer helps you achieve bigger, healthier plants with larger buds and flowers. Watch your plants flourish. These high-quality nutrients are designed to increase the smell and potency of your flowering plants. Get ready for impressive results. Whether your garden is indoors or outdoors, it provides the essential elements for thriving plants in any environment. It's versatile and adaptable to your needs. It's designed by growers in California and backed by industry-leading customer support. You're in good hands with this trusted brand. This nutrient system simplifies the growing process, providing a balanced and effective feeding schedule for everyone, from beginners to experts. Enjoy effortless growing. What we like. This product is a complete nutrient system for all your plants' needs, from seedling to harvest. It's made with all natural ingredients, ensuring optimal plant health without harmful chemicals. If you're new to gardening or want a simple, effective solution, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The 4 small packs are just the right size for 2 or 3 grows minimum. What I like most is not needing to bring up the pH, which also makes a more uniform pH in the soil, which is very important in 3 to 5 gallon grow bags. Plants do well using it. You may need to reduce the amount some depending on your soil. Perfect for a hydroponic system. Easy to measure out the nutrients and have a successful grow. I grow indoors in organic living soil and I've been supplementing nutrients using Lotus's brand going on 5 years now. It's an easy-to-follow schedule with a calculator on their website to plug in the specifics of your grow and get exact measurements week by week for each product in the line. Each bag container also has a QR code to bring up the feeding schedules for that particular product. Lotus takes the guesswork out of feeding your plants. These store exceedingly well as long as they're kept in a cool, dry place. I've always been happy with the results and increased yield I've gotten from using Lotus, even when compared to nutrient lines from 6 other top brands. Number 4. Lotus CalMag Pro Series. It's made from 100% natural ingredients, providing essential nutrients without any industrial byproducts. This ensures your plants get the best possible nutrition for optimal growth. With a perfect 4:1 calcium to magnesium ratio, it's ideal for coco coir and prevents nutrient deficiencies. It helps your plants thrive in this growing medium. It effectively removes excess sodium and chloride from coco coir before planting. This prepares your coco coir for healthy plant growth. It promotes strong stems and healthy leaves, preventing deficiencies and ensuring efficient nutrient absorption. Watch your plants flourish. It simplifies the growing process with a balanced and effective feeding schedule. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, it's perfect from seedling to harvest. Designed by California growers and backed by industry-leading customer support, it's part of the Grow Strong Industries family. You can trust in its quality and effectiveness. What we like. It has the perfect calcium to magnesium ratio, especially beneficial for coco coir growing. It also pre-treats your coco coir, removing excess salts. If you're growing in coco coir and want to prevent nutrient deficiencies, this is your best bet. What people say. My plants were turning yellow due to nutrient lockout, and using this CalMag product had an almost immediate effect. Within 10 days or so they were green again and started to put on more mass. Had no issue dissolving in my water. My other notes mix with it well, and most of all performance. Enhanced my grow. It works great, but kind of the same complaint as other reviews. It's a little chunky and isn't completely water soluble, still had a few solid pieces at the bottom of my watering jug after mixing. Overall still a good product, just need to get their milling better so it's a finer powder. Number 3. Chalily Aquatic Plant Fertilizer. It gives your water lilies and lotus the nutrients they need. Enjoy bigger blooms and healthier foliage all season long. Simply press each tablet into the root zone. Feed your plants twice a month for best results. These fertilizer tablets are 100% safe for fish and other aquatic life in your pond or aquarium. While perfect for water lilies and lotus, it promotes healthy growth in all your aquatic plants. Every tablet is lab tested to ensure consistent and effective results. You can trust its quality. With 60 tablets, you have enough to keep your aquatic plants thriving for months. Get yours today. What we like. These tablets are incredibly easy to use and completely safe for your fish and other aquatic life. They'll give your water lilies and other aquatic plants the nutrients they need to thrive and produce stunning blooms. If you have a pond or aquarium, this is a must-have. What people say. The fertilizer tablets made every water lily bigger and more visually perfect. The fast shipping, good quantity, and good directions for use make this product very usable. As a first-time water lily owner, it was important to buy a product that had clear directions for feeding the plant, like how many tablets, how often, and where to place them around the plant. It was awesome to receive the package without one broken tablet. These from Chalily were 100% solid tablets, not even the USPS could damage them. Number 2. Lotus Nutrient Starter Kit. Give your plants the best start with Lotus Nutrients. It's a complete system designed for optimal growth and bigger yields. It's made from all natural ingredients, providing essential nutrients without harmful byproducts. Your plants will thrive on this pure nutrition. This carefully formulated blend ensures bigger, healthier plants with impressive buds and flowers. Get ready for a bountiful harvest. These nutrients are specially designed to boost the potency and aroma of your flowering plants. Experience the difference high-quality nutrients make. Whether you're growing indoors or outdoors, it provides everything your plants need to flourish. It's versatile and effective in any environment. Developed by expert growers in California and backed by our industry-leading support, you can trust in its quality and effectiveness. This nutrient system simplifies plant feeding, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced growers. From seed to harvest, it's easy to use. What we like. This kit contains advanced nutrients and a bloom booster to maximize your yields and enhance the potency and aroma of your flowers. If you're looking for top quality results and want to improve the overall quality of your harvest, this is the one for you. What people say. I was attracted to Lotus by its absolute simplicity. It's a powder versus a liquid. Who wants to buy mostly water? And there's a total of 4 different ferts to use through the entire life of the flower. Better yet, the ferts mix in a ratio that never exceeds 1.5 TSPS gallon. Following soil feeding schedule, I've grown the best cannabis I've ever grown. I was a GH user for years, and after my first grow with these, I've noticed serious improvements to the plants. I also noticed that you can feed them a bit more without causing any root damage or nutrient block. The ingredients are natural, and you can tell. The boost is a fine powder, and it should last for a long time. The terpene production is pretty amazing. The flowers look like powdered sugar. Number 1. Grow Pro Series Hydroponic Nutrients. It's made from 100% natural ingredients. This ensures your plants get the best nutrition possible, without any harmful byproducts. It helps you achieve bigger, healthier plants with larger buds and flowers. See the difference a balanced nutrient formula makes. These nutrients are designed to increase the smell and potency of your flowering plants. Get ready for impressive results. Whether you're growing indoors or outdoors, it provides the essential elements for thriving plants. It's versatile and effective in any environment. It simplifies the growing process with a balanced feeding schedule. Perfect for both beginners and experienced growers, from seedling to harvest. It's designed by growers in California and backed by industry-leading customer support. You're in good hands with this trusted brand. What we like. This product is designed to promote massive root growth and enhance flowering and fruiting. It's perfect for coco coir, hydroponic, and soil-based systems. If you want to maximize your plant's growth and yield, this is the ideal choice. What people say. I only use Lotus for my hydroponic garden. Never had an issue and big yields from my grow. Won't go anywhere else. I've used very little on my seedlings in my Cracky and DWC and they are looking great. Color of the leaves, fullness of the stalk and the roots look amazing. Excellent quality product. Simply measure the amounts with the green measuring cup, supplied, add to water, shake vigorously, and add to your system or water your plants. To be a little more detailed, I use soil. Most of the measurements for nutrient amounts in your feeding schedule are for DWC or true hydroponics. For my personal application, I go slightly lighter than the recommended amount on their supplied card, and I get incredible results with all of my plants. They supply a measuring cup that has graduations on each end. However, I found it easier to use a kitchen set for everyday use. Lotus Nutrients Grow not only gave great results, but also the ease of application and saving in time of not having to measure 6 different components with each watering. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.